Welcome to Vilnius, Lithuania, a compact capital with a big heart, where Baroque spires meet leafy parks and a Bohemian riverbank whispers stories of artists and exiles. Nestled where the Neris and Vilnia rivers meet, Vilnius sits in the heart of the Baltics and is famous for one of the largest and most charming UNESCO-listed old towns in Europe. A surprising mix of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque architecture, and the eccentric UUP's neighborhood that declared itself an independent republic with its own quirky constitution. If you imagine a city that feels intimate, creative, and slightly mysterious, Vilnius fits the picture perfectly. Its history is layered and dramatic. Founded in the 14th century and once the political center of the Grand Duchy of Lithuania, Vilnius grew wealthy from trade and culture. The city has known golden ages and dark days, medieval growth, a multicultural Jewish community that was tragically destroyed during World War I, long periods under Russian and Soviet rule, and a passionate reawakening after independence in 1990. You can still see these layers in the streets, grand cathedrals, Soviet blocks, and newly renovated facades full of cafes. Walking through Vilnius feels like turning the pages of a lively history book. Visually, this city is a study in contrasts. Cobblestone lanes open into sunny squares, red, tiled rooftops give way to church towers and green hills. The skyline is punctuated by Gediminas Tower, a red brick remnant on a hill that offers postcard views, and the elegant spire of St. Church, a masterpiece of Gothic design that looks delicate enough to pick up. The Neris riverbanks invite slow walks and lend a calm, reflective mood. Vilnius also has a surprisingly green vibe. Parks, gardens, and wooded slopes are never far away, making it a very pleasant city to explore on foot or by bike. The climate is a classic Northern European mix: cold, snowy winters and mild, often sunny summers. Winter brings cozy atmospheres, markets, and the chance of seeing the city under a blanket of snow, but temperatures can be well below freezing, so pack layers if you visit between December and February. The best time to come is late spring through early autumn, from May to September, when outdoor cafes, festivals, and river terraces are in full swing and the days are long. Everyday life in Vilnius is relaxed and unpretentious. Locals enjoy good coffee, craft beer, and hearty Lithuanian dishes like cepelinai potato dumplings filled with meat and cold beetroot soup in summer. There's a strong cafe culture where people linger over conversations, and a thriving arts scene with galleries, street murals, and music venues. English is widely spoken, especially among younger people, and you will find markets, bike rentals, and friendly shops that welcome visitors. For must-see places, start in the Old Town, stroll through narrow lanes to Cathedral Square, climb up to Gediminas Tower for the view, and step into the ornate interior of Vilnius Cathedral. Wander to the Gates of Dawn to see a revered religious icon, then lose yourself in the Baroque beauty of Pilis Street, where bookstores, craft stalls, and small restaurants line the way. Cross the river to Upis, the artistic district that proclaims a playful independence. Its constitution reads like poetry and the atmosphere is delightfully creative. Don't miss St. Church, the Bernardin Gardens for a quiet pause, and the Museum of Occupations and Freedom Fights if you want to understand the Soviet era in Lithuania. A short trip outside the city brings you to Trakai Castle, an island fortress surrounded by lakes, perfect for a half-day excursion. Practical tips make a visit smoother. Lithuania uses the euro, atoms are common, and Vilnius is very walkable, so comfortable shoes are a must. Public transport works well and taxis or ride-hailing apps are affordable. Plug types are the European 2-pin Type-C, and the internet is reliable. Carry a light rain jacket in spring and autumn, and dress warmly in winter. Be mindful of pickpockets in crowded areas, but overall Vilnius is safe and welcoming. Try to learn a few Lithuanian words. A smile and a simple hello go a long way. In the end, Vilnius surprises and rewards those who come without grand expectations. It's a city where history and creativity sit side by side, where quiet courtyards invite slow discovery, and where every corner seems to have a story. Whether you're after architecture, cozy cafes, soulful museums, or scenic escapes, Vilnius offers an intimate, memorable experience that feels like discovering a well-kept secret.